Hello everyone, this is Ivan again. I wanted to say glory to Ukraine, brave USA people, and brave Europe and everybody who helps Ukraine. That's my introduction for today. I'm gonna be cleaning anytime soon, so that's why I have this brush over here. So in this video I'm gonna tell a little bit of information about my ribs. Not my personal ribs, but ribs for the wing and how we do it. Good luck. Okay, so we have the rib over here. Nice to meet you, rib. That's gonna be a hole. In that hole is gonna be a front spar will go in, and that's for the rear spar right here. So we're gonna be working on those holes anytime soon. Okay, speaking about the shape of my rib, right here. Check out that beautiful shape. That's for the airflow. That's gonna be a gap about 1 inch between the rib and the flaperon. It's gonna be a gap, and on lower speeds it's gonna be fully air ventilated. So right here it's gonna be one more hole, and we're gonna put in a long tube for the flaperon. I bought it, and that's it. That's the one. It's really light. Andre is a handicraft today. He made this shelf. Hello, Andre. How are you today? Oh, Andre, how are you today?
Hello.
Hello. Do you speak English? Yes or no?
Maybe.
Maybe. Okay.
Small.
Small. Okay. Very little.
Very little.
Okay. Anyways, nice to meet you. Nice to meet you, Andre.